Ready to go measure stuff? Make sure you fit.
13 inches.
Oh, we can measure yours.
Oh, this ain't measure 27.
Oh, you got a lot of room. You can put a big cabinet on your side. 4 feet.
Can I take your order, please?
In building with earth bags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be a part of our family for this week's adventure.
We're gonna get going on the cabinet that goes back above the bed and the rear chair here. We're gonna use up all the space from here back. Hey, bud. All right.
Work in a more open environment.
Yeah, especially when we're working right above there.
Darren's using these old trim pieces from in our master bedroom to build the frame of the cabinet, so he's having to sand down all of the paint off of them. There's like 3 layers of paint on them.
Thanks, kiddo. Let's see if these things fit in here, huh? This is the top piece. Yep, that's gonna be able to go open in. And then bottom piece. This whole wiring loom here that runs across the top needs to sit above the cabinet. I'm just gonna get it pulled apart and try and rewire it up above without having to extend any of the wires. Once that's all good to go, then I can continue on installing the cabinet. Now, get this tucked. Yeah, that'll lay up behind there nicely. You wanna see what I'm doing?
Yeah. Let's go see. Oh, wow. It's all like cleaned up. What do you do? What's different?
The wiring.
Oh, that looks so good. So now the cabinet's just gotta go up there?
Yep.
Very cool.
Aww. Hi, Diesel. Hi, buddy. I've gotten it finalized now, so I'm thinking about going through with a drill and some screws. The whole band in there is pretty unique, so it's easier for me to kind of start somewhere and then cut down to the right size. Can do the other side real fast. I think I gotta cut about 1/2 to 1/4 inch off each one of these. So that goes there, and then there's a little piece that we gotta put. This one's a curved piece that I might have a curved piece that we can template off of. I'll do the hard piece first.
Did you lose a shoe?
I got it. Step on in. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Got you covered. There was a back cabinet in this before too. Honestly, we should have left this back cabinet in and just redone it a little.
Hindsight's 20/20, as they say.
Yeah. I think the back cabinet in this was a little small anyway. So.
Yeah, make it a little bigger.
This measurement right here. Measurement of the crack, where we want it to peek out at, 41 inches is like the length of the board that's gonna go on. And then if we found the center of this, 20.5 inches.
It's brilliant, babe.
And then, if we know we need 2 inches down, how does that work?
You go straight.
Yeah, that's what we do. We just go straight. We'll just split the difference a little bit. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm not going for any perfection stuff here.
You're not?
Well, I gotta manage my time for the inside of a cabinet. If we're gonna put a lot of hours into absolute perfection, we should at least be able to see that.
Not where our blankets are stored.
Yeah.
Are you sharing your food?
Hard time believing that this works first try.
It's gonna work first try. It is, yeah.
Thank you. I can pry it up to make it work, but maybe I could.
Oh, that's beautiful, babe.
Yeah, that's gonna work, huh? Commit.
That looks so clean, babe.
Yeah, that worked good. That template, man.
Put it in the hole.
I'm gonna put a coat of polyurethane on the inside before I get too far into closing it all up. Easier to do it that way than to try to paint it through the inside later on. I ran out of nails for this last board. I'm just gonna put some screws in this one because I'm gonna come back through and screw them all in anyway. I'm just out of screws right now. All right. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's the bottom of the cabinet finished up. I'm gonna throw some polyurethane on this and then take a step back and see what it looks like.
Oh, I love the bottom. It looks so cozy in there.
Yeah, it almost has like a kind of a circly, hobbity feel.
Yeah, it's so cool. It really cleaned it up. Coming along.
Thanks for joining us. We really appreciate you watching. If you missed Wednesday's video, be sure to go check that one out. Mom and Dad got some major progress on the outdoor shower and it is looking awesome. This week's t-shirt design is Wood Snob. You can pick up this shirt along with other designs over at our MyLittleHomestead shop. From today, Friday the 11th, to Monday the 14th, there's a 15% off sale over at the shop, so be sure to go over there and take advantage of that. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on Monday for the podcast. Thank you. This shirt was not made after me. It was made after my father.
I am a wood snob.
Remember that?
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.